So let's say you want to make a desktop like this desk, or a tabletop like this table. You can run the boards through a table saw or a joiner and try to get the boards really straight and join them together like I did here. Or you can use a nice finish grade plywood like this one. This is birch. This way your tabletop and your desktop will be nice and flat and smooth. But what are you going to do with the edges when it comes to paint and stain? Well, I've got just the tip for you. Did you know that they have edge banding? This is iron-on and easy to use. It comes in white or wood grain. You just simply iron it on. The manufacturers recommend that you set your home iron to 200 degrees Celsius. I just put it on cotton. Wait for it to heat up and then cut your edge banding to length, leaving a little bit extra for you to trim off later. The panel edge should be as smooth as possible and free of sawdust or any other dirt. And then slowly move the iron along as the glue heats up and begins to adhere to the plywood. Now while it's still tacky, I can either use a block of wood to firmly apply it and work out all those bubbles, or if you have a micro roller, you can also use a micro roller. And keep smoothing it out till it cools. Then when you're done, you can use a trim router or a file or a belt sander. If you're using a belt sander like I am here, make sure you're sanding with the grain and don't go through the first veneer. Then when you're done, you can gently sand it, getting it ready for paint, urethane, or stain. And thanks to the white edge banding, this cabinet turned out great. For more woodworking tips and suggestions, click the image on your screen now.